paddle switch is turned and is up so the engine will start. We also want to make sure that our safety lanyard is attached to us, which is a jet ski pole, to shut this unit off. We're going to start this unit on idle, choke, gas. Also, before you start, you're going to want to make sure that your cutter stand is all the way up for your storage stand. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and give this a pull. This motor runs at 3,600 RPM, 14 horsepower Kohler. It's got a 3.5 inch wide cut on it, 9 carbide cutters. Extra heavy-duty bow handle really helps you hang on to this equipment while it's eating its way through. Works really well on root systems also. Got some big roots coming out here on this cutter. We just take 3.5 inch wide gaps. Go right down into that root system. We had half a stump here, and almost 30% of that stump is gone. This is what we're getting out of it. Plus the root system. So we'll work on this stump a little bit more, and probably in another half hour we'll have this leveled out. So that's the performance of the PK0803 stump grinder from PowerKing. You can visit our website. It's QV Tools, as in quality value, qvtools.com. And call us at any time with any questions. We love to hear from our customers. Ask for Greg, I'm the founder, or any of our technical guys. Our number in Las Vegas is 1-800-344-3371. Thanks for considering PowerKing.